In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and efficiently search for your photos by keyword, gallery, or photo title. After uploading your photos, you can quickly locate them by using the search tool that's found in the All Galleries page of your account. To access the search feature from your dashboard, first click on Galleries in the toolbar on the far left. By default, this should bring you to the All Galleries group in your My Library panel. If not sent there by default, click All Galleries in the My Library panel on the left to return to it. Once in the All Galleries section, the search bar at the top can be used to search for your photos. When using the search tool, you can search for photos or galleries by using the title, caption, or keyword. For example, if I were to use the word color in the search bar here, this will bring up my color party gallery. However, if I had photos or videos individually tagged by the word color, those would also show up in the search results as well. In the search results view, in the center, you'll find all the results that correspond with the term that you searched for. On the left, you can choose to filter this search further based on criteria such as if the folder is tagged as such, the gallery is tagged as such, image, or video, and under each section, you can find additional search filters which will further help you narrow down your criteria. For further assistance, please contact our helpful support team at support@zenfolio.com or visit our support center for more information.